Yo, what's up guys? First off, I just wanted to make sure that I gave you guys the proper ups. 250,000 is not a small feat, so I appreciate you and for sticking around with me on this journey. And if you're new to this channel and this is the first video you're seeing from me, I like titles. Okay, so other than a few posts here and there, and of course really trying my best to be more consistent with the vlogs, I guess I haven't really been posting too much on the socials. But there's a big reason as to why, and that's because for the past few weeks, my friends and I have been working on renovating our own shop space. Yeah, just kidding. Not a shop space, scratch that. Our own building. Okay, so as I've stated in the past, I wasn't really all that into cars, other than like getting Hot Wheels when I was a kid and little toy race cars and stuff like that. But it wasn't until I bought the FRS, my very first car that I purchased with my own hard-earned money. And to those people who assume that I was spoon-fed, I definitely wasn't. Well, maybe when I was a baby. Sa Pilipinas ay kung saan ako lumaki. Until I was 5, that's when we moved to Calgary, Alberta, Canada, where I currently reside right now. But I had an amazing upbringing. So yeah, no silver spoon, and it was from my parents that I learned the value of working hard to earn a living. Or working hard to earn a living to live a life. But I was also disciplined a lot as a kid, the Asian way. There was lots of this. Lumayas ka sa bahay na to! Hindi ko ulitin po! Hindi ko ulitin po! What the fuck? Long story short, when I got my FRS, I wanted to make it as unique as I could with whatever little resources I had, and I just wanted to make it different because I believe in uniqueness. And honestly, I didn't really even think about growing a YouTube channel based around automotive content. Like, I didn't think that was a thing. I just became super used to the idea of documenting the process because this was a discipline that I developed from trying to grow an art channel on YouTube as well. And I actually still have this art channel. It's called It's Birdie. I rarely post on it, but that's definitely gonna change in the near future here. I'm still in between trying to incorporate my art side with the car side, and it gets difficult to find time for everything you wanna do in life. That's where you become a really good time scheduler. But we'll save that for another time. So before cars, I did art, and now I'm basically transferring that same mindset into the automotive realm, as if the car was an art piece. And in a way, they are. So for the car stuff, I was insanely limited in the beginning, just literally using the stock jack that came in the trunk of my FRS and working in my parents' garage whilst slowly, I don't know why I said it like that, while slowly growing my tool set and then eventually buying specific tools that I never even knew existed depending on whatever problems I ran into. And there was a lot of problems.
They are working on tinting the windows on the FRS. Let's check it out.
Now, a year down the road, I figured it was time to move up, and I always promised myself to always upgrade and over-deliver, and then catch up even if it was out of my capabilities. I came up with this quote a few years ago, and it went like, set your own personal standards higher than you think you can reach. That way the only person you'll ever have to worry about impressing is yourself. But nowadays, I just try not to worry at all because stress lowers your immune system, and then that's how you get sick in the first place. That's why stay away from the news, kids. It's all bad. Like, maybe 5% good. You know, that's how you grow that much faster, I think, is if you can learn how to solve more problems than the person next to you and just never say that you can't. Of course, I had tons of help along the way, especially for the things I had little knowledge about, which in the beginning was a lot. So we eventually moved to this quaint little 3-car garage that was heated, which really only fit 2 cars, but we made it work. And I emphasize heated because I live in Canada. So half the year there's snow on the ground and it's like -50 below zero. Anyways, this garage taught me how to manage doing car stuff without anyone around, but I was never really alone.
So this is my new home away from home. All right, so here's the lowdown on this place. This is gonna be my garage for the next 8 months. Consider this Lost Royalty Garage phase 1.
I always had friends join me, coming in and out, and helping me out here and there. And it was actually in this garage that I think the FRS saw the most growth. But in retrospect, I actually saw a lot of growth in myself too. And it was like that for a couple years until we found a bigger shop, an actual garage bay.
Today is the day that we are finally handed the keys to the commercial bay. So let's get it. Welcome to the new Kings of Straz Lost Royalty Garage. We did it. But now this is a huge commitment because the lease on this place is longer than I would have hoped for, but it's a goal to work towards. Put those puppies on.
So that brings us to now, 5 years down the road. Here we are sitting with 7 cars in our possession. We got the FRS, the E36, the Supra, the RX-7 FC, the other RX-7, the RX-8, and the Scion XB. Oh, and the Celica. So that makes 8. Jeez. Yeah. I think it's time for a bigger space. And in the beginning of the year, I mean, we kind of hinted that we were looking for something big enough where my friends and I can just continue growing ourselves collectively, but all under one roof. And kind of just have like a central hub of funness. Because you know what's funny is whenever some random person or someone who doesn't know what we're about comes through the shop and asks us what we do there, first off, I tell them we're not a car service, but we just like to have fun. That's what we do. We have fun. Easiest way to explain. So since then, we've actually been doing lots of back-end work trying to find a place, and today I can proudly say that we found one. And it's perfect. So without further ado, here's today's adventure, looking at our new team building. Because at the end of the day, that's what this is, team building. I'm all about the puns. Enjoy. Yo, what's up guys? Thanks for being here. So remember in the beginning of the year when we were kind of entertaining the idea of getting a bigger shop? Well, we got a bigger shop. Morning fellas, thanks for waiting. Sup, get one for the vlogs. Tejo, you good man?
Down about 4 feet from the top.
Oh, you can do that?
Wall side, you can actually have a big King's Must Rise all the way through.
Pumpkin boy. That's the crew. So Sunny got me, Tejo, who is basically our mentor, and Angus, who just recently turned his element orange. So now those things are the same color. But yeah, this is gonna be our new building. Scratch the idea of renting a shop. Let's just buy our own building. Kind of want to quickly show you what we have in the back. Check this. So we got 2 garage bays. It used to be 2 shops split in the middle, but once I take you inside, we'll show you exactly what we're gonna be doing to the place. We're gonna make it all one. And we're here right now to, well, first of all, show you guys our new shop. Meeting up with contractors to get a quote on how much it is to do a little bit of demolition work. We're gonna be tearing down walls where it's necessary and all that stuff. But pretty much, you got this, and then we got that garage door as well. And we have access to the roof. So we can take sweet bird's eye view shots. It was the same exact color as the wall in our shop, the KMR gallery, before we moved in. And we painted that green. So I think, yeah, this is gonna be green. So this is what it looks like from the front. And our friend Josh's auto body paint shop is literally 1 minute down this road. And then you keep going down the road, turn left, and that's Ape Garage. So we're really close to our friends. But as you can see, like judging by this parking space, it does need work. Like you compare it to our neighbors, and theirs is actually pristine. So we're thinking of the same, because this is definitely not low car friendly. But this is also one of the older buildings in this area. It's really on us, man. This is the diamond in the rough. And I like that idea, because for me as an artist, especially a car YouTuber, it's the process that we live off of, not the finished product, if you know what I mean. And that's also what feeds into creating a successful car YouTube channel, is consistency and just daily regular projects. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is pretty cool. This is the alley right in between the buildings. This is actually a really cool spot for photo shoot. Cool, thanks. Yeah. So this is what is supposed to be the front lobby area. See, this is like a break room kitchen, a couple of bathrooms here. This hallway leads to the garage area. Here's the goods. This side is gonna be Sunny's garage, and partly mine. I'm gonna have a little corner for myself. And then you go upstairs, and that's gonna be all KMR. So ideally, I'd like to transport all of the clothes and shelving units at our house to here, so that our house is a little more, well, like a house. Like upstairs, I actually want to create some sort of living room space and not just have it as extra storage for my clothes. So yeah, this is what this place is going to be. Take you upstairs. And this is going to be our new work area. You guys definitely will get a better idea once everything is taken out of here and all the walls are knocked down to our liking. It's gonna be so much more open. And for me, believe it or not, when I was a kid, I actually had claustrophobia. Well, I made myself believe it. I just hated enclosed areas. The idea is we're gonna knock this wall down and have it so it's open and you can look down from the mezzanine. I mean, it is still kind of hard to gauge on video just how big the space is, but actually, yeah, there's the size of an actual car. So, all the way to this wall. It's big. Me and my friends, Sunny, who's the owner of Sunrise Auto, and Angus, SR International, plus myself, KMR, have come together, and we've been working diligently behind the scenes to try and make this happen. And yeah, now we're here.
You say you can raise it up as well, level everything? 95. It's like this side. Right. The crowd. They're just like lining up, taking pictures.
Yeah, causing traffic. That means that's gonna happen every single time. They're gonna wonder, what is this building? Yeah, so this wall. The new location of our team shop. You outie?
I'm outie.
Yeah, I think me too. I gotta bring Gohan to the groomers. Yeah, thanks for meeting up. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll probably be here around 9-ish too.
No problem.
But yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Good talk. Dream big, rest easy, but also work and play hard.
Exactly.
All right, homie. See you, Angus. What the heck? But this is no opportunity for us to relax and take it easy. We gotta work like 10 times harder. This is now the future location of our team shop. The hub.
The hub, yeah.
And like, dude, it's right on the corner of a pretty like well-known automotive industrial area. So all the car guys go here. And we have a Christmas tree.
I am going to be chopping up.
No, Sonny. Christopher. Teo was saying that we're not supposed to, or like we're supposed to keep a proper proportion of landscaping or like trees in front or something to building. I don't know what the rules are.
We will put out the application for a
grass carer person, so if you want to come cut our grass.
Oh yeah, anyone who wants to maintain our grass, because we are the corner place, we gotta keep this place pretty. I'm gonna wait until Tejo leaves, because his Army Tricks exhaust sounds so good. Bros, I can't believe we got a new shop. One thing to keep in mind, guys, is it really isn't as easy as we YouTubers make it look or seem. There's obviously lots of logistics and paperwork that have to be handled, like business licensing, property legalities and stuff like that. And not to mention, you guys gotta make sure you're doing it with the right people. Like, keep friends that motivate you and really try and help you grow and fill voids in areas that you lack, so as not to hold you back. And of course, when we move in, we gotta get a building inspection. We gotta look into getting an HVAC system, which I know costs an arm and a leg. And we're actually gonna be trying to do the renovations ourselves. Try and penny pinch where we can. Thinking of it now, it just seems like such a daunting task, but you know what, it's all part of the process. And if you've learned anything from this channel or enough about me, you'll know that I have learned to love the process. And that's why I document in the first place. And I'm pretty sure that goes for a lot of other vloggers as well. And here's a spoiler: the journey to the reward is the reward itself. It took a handful of wins and a hell of a lot of failures, but we made it here. We're getting closer, but we're not even close to where we want to be. And that's the mindset that I'm in. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it at that, guys, and kindly end this video because I'm Canadian. I have to be kind. Let's just all be kind to each other. Appreciate you for giving me your time. There's so much to look forward to from this channel. And I'm actually contemplating on doing December daily vlogs. Call them December dailies or something. Yeah, I don't know. Too many ideas. We'll save them for next time. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care. Peace. Tejo's exhaust sounds so good. Wide body problems. He can fit, dude. He just doesn't trust himself.